Okay, guys. This is the second part of today's show because I unfortunately pushed the button and I stopped the stream. And we hit 15,000! We hit 15,000 just now! We hit 15,000 just now! Look at this. Oh my god. And we have like a lot of people joining back in. This is kind of weird, but this is... we will always remember how we hit 50,000 subs. Me pushing a button, the finish button on my... You know, I have this stream deck here and I'm pushing everything and I've got the little button here and I pushed finish and tweet about it. Tweet that we are live. Tweet about it. So anyway, we hit 50,000. So guys, big party. And someone else is... Oh my god, I'm so sorry that I pushed the button. It's kind of fucked, but it is what it is. I just want to go back to the fact that this was near, as I said from the previous video, you can see. This is what I said about, we have the liquidation. This is my proper range, don't forget that. So you're still playing the retrace. But if we get a higher high on 68.9 around this region, that would be a great long opportunity. 68.9, what happened? Here is 68.9. Here is 68.9. Let's say here, you would have taken this position. You would be up, even now, you would be up 10%. The peak was 17%. Thank you very much. Here's what I said. This is not that. Here is what oh no, this is not that either. Here is what I said about Brett. My new range. This is my new range. London liquidated. I need to see a higher high formed. When that happens, I can take a long position, and it's actually quite efficient to move. So you just want to target. The next. Look at this. It's a very efficient move. I'm actually gonna set an alert here because this is gonna be juicy. Obviously, you need to see the total market play out. So you see a market structure shift up here at 73 on Brett. Your moon. Look what happened. You see a market structure shift at about 73. You hit your moon. Bread is up. Basically, it was 33%, 35% punt. Even now, you would be up 25%. So thank you very much. Now, here's why it's important to follow this channel, to subscribe to this channel, and also watch the second part of the show, which happened today. But anyway, in general, it would not happen. It would not happen. I will have to reorganize the buttons here. It never happened, but it's crazy that 𝗥𝗘𝗦𝗢 doesn't give me like a window saying, are you sure you want to end the stream? Because anyway, it doesn't really matter. We're back here. We're going and we're just gonna take it level by level. So let's go. Let me just adjust my chair here, cuz. Please, guys, smash the like so we can get everything back. But the good part is that we only have 120 people from the 340 we had. So you guys can fire away and we can have all the questions now. Probably gonna come through. When you should have setting on your locks algo indicator. I showed it yesterday on the show. Look back, please. Like the time. If you mean the times, it's back there. Do it again. Do what again? Gonna double, triple, quadruple, pentuple my account in the next few months. I agree with you. It's gonna be crazy. Fefe crashed at 15K. Exactly there. But we're down below again, so it's gonna be a new celebration. Don't you worry. Fefe, you owe your sponsorship for the fruit salad bowl never came through. You never started here. Is my Eddie. Did we never send this? Cuz is getting a deduction, it seems like. You owe me. You remember that there was this guy Dalton like 2-3 weeks ago, and I said that I'm gonna sponsor his fruit salad. Yeah. Did you send the money to him?
No, but that wasn't my...
It was always yours. It's always yours, cuz. Okay, send $10 to this guy. I have to go up to it. I agree with you. Thank you for calling me out on this. We need Gene to come over. He's waiting in the other stream. Did the stream end?
Yeah.
Did the other stream end? What is he waiting for? Did the other stream end? Anyway, it doesn't really matter. 15,000 is liquidation zone. I have no dry powder to buy the dip. You want to go halves on a gram. I don't know what that means. Did 𝗏𝗘 put enough money on the meter to cover the whole show this time? Yes. Are we going to Valhalla now? I think so soon. Congrats on 15,000. Thank you so much. Actually, 14,997. But thank you. Can Ondo reach 6? Maybe. Lol. It stayed open for a while. Went to watch 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 videos. Gene watching 𝗏𝗏𝗧𝗏 videos. Thoughts and shorting panel. Just pumped 48% after upbit listing. 𝗏𝗘𝗙𝗥. Congrats. Fefe live got liquidation. Yeah. Can you please get in touch with Bitcoin support and fixed price? Seems something is wrong. I agree with you. I agree with you. That's the problem. That's what I'm saying. I want to talk to the Bitcoin support line, customer support. I'm a Karen. If I could get to the Bitcoin customer support, I would fucking spam them. I would just send every inquiry that we have. We just hit 15K again. So thank you so much, guys. 15,000 subscribers. Wow. 15,000 subscribers. 15,000 subscribers. I remember starting this show. I had 36 subs, and most of them was my fam, my mom, my brothers, some of my friends. And I literally started streaming about 10 months ago for 36 people. There were 2 views on my videos initially. 2 views for weeks and weeks and weeks. And eventually we got to this, and I think this is just the beginning, guys. The exponential growth is just about to happen. I'm super excited. Thank you so much for being here. Truly appreciate every single one of you. You are making this happen, and I'm grateful forever. I really am. Okay, how is the new chair? Fantastic. Power structure shift. Yes, power structure shift over. Let me see. How can we celebrate 50 subs? Stripper dance, OnlyFans? Not yet. Congrats on... When this channel hits 1 million subscribers, I will do an OnlyFans. I'm not even kidding. If and when we hit 1 million subs, I'll do an OnlyFans. You put on a great show. Congrats. Thank you. Yo, Fefe, you good brother. Missed everything. Been painting all night, and all these coins just rocket. I've been glued to the screen every day except yesterday price. Listen, I'm going to have a joke for you. Weren't you painting? Why were you glued? Congratulations, Fefe, on 50. Thanks. 𝗏𝗘𝗦𝗡 versus 𝗧𝗘𝗘𝗦. But 𝗏𝗘𝗦 is great. Congrats, Fefe. Thanks, lol. Yes. Oh, wee! Tape this. We need rundamental in your show too. What is rundamental? How do I do rundamental? Do a flip, backflip? Yeah. Now gonna do marketing for this show. Should I do a backflip? Should I try doing a backflip here? Backflip here? Yeah. Should I try doing that? Do you want me to do a backflip? The day we get 1,000 live views, I'm gonna do a backflip. I'm just throwing this shit out. People are gonna call me out on this, but whatever. If you remind me, are we still going up or still like down? Okay, I think we should jump into the show. I understand what you mean fundamentals, but what does that mean? Like, I do all the news, but what do you mean fundamentals? What do you mean fundamentals? Let's go. I want to talk about the market because that's really what matters here. Okay, let's look at it. I think what is very relevant to note here, and Julietta just sent me something. I just got the message on my phone, or is it my watch? Julietta just sent me something. She's doing something. Look at this. I'm gonna put this up. I'm gonna put this up here. Julietta, legend. We love Julietta. You could have seen her in the Building Banter episode. Such a great person. This is me watching Fefe's show right now. Julietta, link is missing, bruv. A link is missing, bruv. Sis, where is the link? Where is the follow? Where is the subscribe? Where is the, the best of the best, Jokes aside, thank you so much for the shout out. Appreciate it. I think people are gonna think this is me watching the show and whatever, but it's fine. I'll take it. No probs. I appreciate the effort. Let's go. Okay, so here is something I wanted to show. Oh, you know what? If we play, this show is already cut in half and whatever. I'm just gonna, let's play a game. So Miles posted actually that is here. So Miles posted we've been in an altcoin bear market since March, lower highs and lower lows. And I don't know if you recall, Miles had a shot at me with like, we're not the same, buying ruin, shorting ruin, whatever. And I just thought it was funny. I posted, I only see a structural and a retest in a higher time frame bull trend. We are not the same as the kindergarten here. Anyway, so I think even though it does look like it might be forming lower lows and lower highs, it's very important to keep track of the actual trend, which is, a very massive POI down here that I marked a couple of times already. a weekly and daily POI. And then on the internal level, we do have a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. Then we form a new high, and then we come back. The good part is that all of these moves are efficient, meaning we have a 50% retrace at all times. And that means this is my little concern, okay? This is my concern with the whole market now, is that I do think we're going to skyrocket from here, but nobody can confirm. We can still have a new low. We can still do whatever until at least we have a confirmation on the 4 hour. Now, the problem really comes in that the 4 hour leg and the range is really here, basically. That's one of the major issues. Please, guys, like the show. We have 200 people and 66 likes only, so please like the show. So this is basically still our range, and even on the daily, this is a clear invalidation. So we would have to wait for about a 20% pump, 25% pump in the total market cap to confirm that there is a continuation on the daily chart. Now that, you can't really afford to do that. There are two ways this can play out. One, we play it level by level. We look at it on the hourly and we go, okay, by the way, I think we're going lower. That's honestly without all whatever. I think we are going a little bit lower. We might even liquidate this low, and I'll explain why. But I think we have a little bit of lower down. We are building up liquidity. I do think we have one more leg down, just a tiny bit perhaps, and then move on, or I need to see invalidation. But in general, what you want to see is that for the daily to confirm too high, we don't have time for that, okay? We will confirm it at that time. That's when the parabolic bull starts. Then when we take this high, within a week, we're gonna take this high. So that's another 20%. So the total market cap probably gonna double within 2 weeks when this thing happens, when we start seeing a recovery, when we start taking a high at 2.44 trillion. Until then, though, we're still in a downtrend, and you should play it as such. What does that mean? If you look at the 4 hour, you can see that this is still the range. This is still the range, unfortunately, which we have to play in. So technically what I'm expecting for now is a retrace perfectly to this 1 hour OB as well, up here. So a retrace to this region up here, and then from there, a strong rejection, okay? And the rejection is something that I am going to short. We will see if we have a clear confirmation. You already see that it's, what did I tell you? You want to be on the elevator, you don't want to be on the stairs. What do you see on these charts? Elevator down, stairs up, okay? You don't want to be on the stairs, never. And we do have the stairs. And another aspect to add here, and he always talks about the 3 legs, right? So we've got 1 leg, we've got 2 legs, and then now we're having a 3rd leg right into a bearish POI. And that really means, in my book, that we are going to see some kind of liquidation event up here, maybe even week through here, it doesn't really matter. Take this to liquidity. We can even come up all the way to 2.248, but I do think that we are going to see a rejection from there. And when that happens, wait for 50, and then we can short for one more. And that's a juicy dump. That's another 10, 15% dump, possibly 20% on major alts that could happen. For that to not happen, in my opinion, we need to see a higher high formed on the hourly. Now, this is where it becomes tricky, because technically, this is my 1 hour range up here. 4 hour daily, 1 hour, okay? But in reality, you could consider this or this as being the major high. So if we would see a clear break above this level, a clear break and close, okay, it's not a weekend liquidation and whatnot, a break and close above this market, above this level here, 2.06, I would consider taking massive long positions. So I would wait for the 50 to come back, and when that happens, I would start looking at taking long positions. Until then, unfortunately, I'm not really interested. We need to see a close above that level, at least on the hourly, but this would be better. This would be better, actually. This would be much better. Yeah, I would wait for that one. This would be much better. So I need to see a level on a break up there that is at 2.12 trillion on the total market cap. Can you put the subscribers up? That we need to see. Until then, unfortunately, this is still just an elevator. This is still an elevator down and stairs up. So yeah, not that bullish. This is my major concern. To summarize everything, my 2 main scenarios for the total market cap. Number 1, we have a daily range. We do have a decent structure down, which means that on the internal we are in a downtrend. However, this is obviously extremely bullish, and we are respecting the higher time frame trend. This is why the total market cap, as we predicted, bounced 15-20% from yesterday. This is why we see this, but this is not enough for me to start taking generational longs. Is what we're waiting for. I need to see a clear close above 2.12 trillion, and even then I would only get in on the retrace and wait for the high to form. Otherwise, what I believe will happen, and we'll have to see, But what I believe will happen is that we're going to see a push up to the 2.02 trillion on New York, a pop at 2.09 trillion, maybe a liquidation, then show a market structure shift up here, and that's a long shorting opportunity. I will short this if this happens, if we have a very strong confirmation, because I don't want to get caught being my pants down. And yeah, this is, you know, I wanted to be a smart ass and just use this expression, but I fucked it up anyway. So jokes aside. Anyway, I stopped the live today as well, which is if Cuz would have done that, I would be alone today. So no, I'm just joking. Not joking. Actually, not joking. Anyway, this is my thoughts for the total market cap. Let's look at Bitcoin, and then we're gonna do some Q&As. Now I see we have 200 and something people back in here, guys. With 250 people and only 87 likes. Oh, please like the show. Really, it really does help the algo. People can come back in and whatever. Same structure on Bitcoin. Very beautiful retest to this 52,000 region. Beautiful retest. We do take the lows. The same principle applies. We do need to see a higher high formed above the 60,000, 59,000, or 60,000 level on the 4 hour, by the way. Yeah, but even that's it's like nothing. It's like above the 61,000 level on the 4 hour, and about 61,000 on the hourly chart. But it's already building up a staircase, which I don't want to be on. So I would be cautious in doing anything there. Let me jump into the chat and read it through with you guys, and then we're gonna do some token requests. So don't send your tokens in now, but I'm gonna have that. Take your like a good man. Take your like good man. I don't know what that means. I'm done with memes. I'm only trading safe assets now. I would just ask, I don't know, I would just ask the customer support, you know, just what to do. Follow my lead and smash the like. Can you share 30,000 market cap meme you mentioned on Twitter? I can't. I can't do it now. I just can't. First of all, it's not ready yet. Second, I mean, it is ready, but it's not to its fullest potential. And second, I don't know if it's responsible. You know, people are always going to hate. So maybe I will just share it. I don't know. Maybe I'll just share it. I'll just ask the customer support what the customer support thinks. Can you check Sol chart? Solana prediction for the year, $800. How long will we go on BTC? What do you mean? Rio. I like Rio. What's your most recent spot buy? DAO and AR. And memes. When will your school start? I need to get my kidney back. Hopefully September, October. Done with meme. Nice, bro. May hold longer. Cat dog billion hustle. Yeah, $1 billion hustle. You guys should subscribe. Anyway, you write in YouTube/$1 billion hustle. You're gonna find it. If we get back Black Swan sold to 30, not happening, bruv. Not happening. How low? Bitcoin, I think not much lower. Maybe a little bit lower, but I think we're kind of settled. Link prediction, don't have a prediction for Link. It's a difficult one. It can really be very, very lucrative, but yeah, it's for some reason not moving. I was leverage render and banana gun for the tokens. Are you expecting one more dip? Yes, a little bit dippy. I wouldn't call it a dip. I would say like a little dippy. That's what I expect. Let's go Voodoo School up and come in. Yes, Bond. How low Sol can go? $100. No, I don't think so. Marry me, please, for science. Jake, I don't marry guys. If you're a hottie, I would consider. But FTM prediction. Moon. I think Sonic will be very good. I really think Sonic will be great. I actually made a show on Sonic. People are like, oh, it's a paid shield. No, I have not been paid zero. I've been paid $0 to do the show. I think Sonic will be great. How can you start a community now that we have 15,000 subscribers? Can we start we are a community, bro. What are you talking about? How do you know what the market will break or retest? We just have to take it level by level. When we get there, you have to look for a market structure shift. Don't listen to the haters out there. Some people can only complain and forget most of the time using the part that sits on their shoulder. Yes. When is the best month and time to sell in this bull market before going down? We have to see that. But I think depends on the election. Very much depends on the US election. Weather prediction, I think it's going to rain. Depends where you are. Somewhere it's going to rain for sure. Where's the Bitcoin custom services when we need it? Exactly what I'm saying. Leverage trading is possible. Yes, it's possible. Medicare AVEX, none. Don't fade Cubic. Bro, Paul, you have no idea how long I bought Cubic. But I'm down. I think I'm... No, I'm up. I'm big time up. Spit on that thing. Feels like a slow grind right now. Do you think the pump will be as violent as the dump was? Yes, but not now. I don't think the pump will happen now. Would you live trade during the final dips or post it on X? Post it on X. Cardano price of the next year. There is Cardano now. So Cardano price for the next year. Let me look at it. So Cardano price for the next year. Was that the question? Was that the question, cuz?
Yeah.
For the next year?
Yeah, end of the year.
End of this year. Okay, so it's at $0.32. Well, maybe about, I don't know, maybe about 0.05, 0.06. I know you like this. Anyway, it's just fun. I don't know. Cardano, come on. Get to you're in Cubic. You're smart then. Oh, you thought I was stupid. I was so okay, let's go, guys. Pump your coins. I have a little bit of time left. Let's start analyzing them. I heard 𝗓𝗓 was going to be used as the stable coin for BRICS settlements. What are you even talking about? Bro. Oh my gosh. Funny. Anyway, how are we going to do this comment thing now that now we have two shows? Like, should they comment on the first one or the second one? Or like what? Second one. Okay. Put the end screen on the last show. Put in the last 16 seconds, put this show in now. So if they watch that show, they can come over here. Let's go. Mocha. I haven't looked at Mocha and I want to look at it. Super cool project, actually. They were sponsors on the channel, and I got to know about them there. But I'm actually very excited about the whole thing. Mochaverse is the main project of Animoca Brands. They've been, major leaders in the Web3 gaming space, and they launched this token. Very, very bullish, but I can't really chart this. It's like on a fundamental basis, I do think it's great. I do think it's a great buy. 𝗔𝗘. Let's look at 𝗔𝗘. 𝗔𝗘 is like down. Oof, it's down. I'm also a holder of 𝗔𝗘, but for what? I don't know. It's almost at all-time low. It's literally 30% from all-time low. It's like crazy, and we've had like a bull. I don't understand. 𝗔𝗘 is down, bruv. It's down. It's not looking good, bruv. I mean, if you believe in 𝗔𝗘, this is a perfect fucking buy. Honestly, it's 30% down from all-time highs. Oh, what is it? No, 30% from all-time lows. It's a great buy. INJ, if you believe in the fundamentals. INJ. Same thing, guys. I see blood. That's what I see. One leg, two leg, one more leg up here. $18 and hammer, as couple would say. Sweet! Is there a bigger stream deck than this? Is this the biggest one? We could have like a Ronaldo Sui effect when someone asks for Sui. But it doesn't fit. I don't have a... So one leg, two leg, three leg, one more push, and then we dump. That's what I'm thinking. Although it's Marcus Rock shift, we might come back here. Again, if we can break a bubble in total, I would take positions. Like I will, but not now, not yet. Bond. Is that an actual token? Oh wow, I never heard of this Bond. Oh, and this is actually doing like quite a great. Oh wow, this is actually not bad. I don't know what this is fundamentally, but like technically this is massive liquidity built up here, which could be interesting to look at. It could be interesting to look at this. Yeah, I mean this is like you need the total market cap to play ball, and you have a lot of huge stop loss, but on spot it wouldn't be a stupid buy. It wouldn't be, but I would not buy it now. Rune, and I do two more, and then I really have to leave. Look at this Rune as well. Fuck, it's like down. Rune is definitely a good buy. Definitely a good buy. It went 2023 October. It went up 700%. I expect the same from Rune. Rune is really, really good in my opinion. Really, really good. It's just such an elevator down. I wouldn't long anything now. I wouldn't long, even if you miss like another 10%. I wouldn't long. Just wouldn't long. Fuck, this thing fell hard. Look at this. From the end of July, within the last week, Rune fell 50%. Yeah, it's heavy. Let's get Sol. Oh no, did I just mark this? Oh yeah. But it didn't make an MSS though, so this wouldn't have played out. It didn't make an MSS. Still in the range. 1, 2, 3. Probably liquidation coming up here. This would be the Sol short. I wouldn't short it. I wouldn't short Sol. I would short some meaningless shitcoins like Cardano. But otherwise, I wouldn't short it. Because it's just like, why are we bullying ADA? Kaspa. This is the last one. Until then, guys, remember to comment on the previous show, on the other show. Leave your comments there. We're going to do the same thing tomorrow. We're going to do the fun Make Me Laugh challenge tomorrow. Someone's going to win. $20. I'm looking forward for your comments. So do that. No, the other show. The other show. That's where I explained the thing, cuz. So this is actually a great short, Kaspa. Don't short it, but this is exactly what I explained. Look at, this is what's going to happen. Oh no, I removed indicators as well. This is exactly what I explained. Look, so this is a prime example of what a short should be. Actually, I might short Kaspa now. No, I think it's going to come back, and also we need to see the total market cap. But this is exactly what I said. Look at this. So it's the hourly chart. You do have only down. And when this happens, you have a market structure shift here, which is a strong indication that it's going down. And if we see the exact same thing on the total market cap when we come back up here, that's what you got to look for. This is what you want to look for. And then a little bit of retest here and then a short. I'm actually going to set an alert here. If the total market cap plays ball, I am going to short Kaspa. Even though I think it's great and it's going to the moon and whatnot, I think I am going to short Kaspa. All right, guys, leave your thoughts. Let me know how you like the show. I'm so sorry for cutting it in half. I hope you enjoyed it. Much love to you. Leave your thoughts below in the comment or beside or whatever that is. Thank you so much for helping us get to 15,000 subscribers. Absolute legends. It's a moment. It's a moment. Thank you so much. Take care. And I believe I'll see you in the next one.